Yeah,
Oh, he jumped on the boat. Oh my gosh. That's a nice mako. You sure do.
How you gonna do it? You can't hold on to him. Well, how? He's a winner. I mean, I don't know where.
I'd let him die right there.
He's gonna break the thing. Holy.
All right, put it on the front.
He jumped on the boat. 3 jumps.
Dave, you got the.
I'd let him die right there.
Yeah, get a tail wrapper. Get the. Dave, run up and get the. I'll do it.
What do you need?
Get the
double
what
braided
do you call
nylon.
line. Get the
Double
big
braided
black
nylon.
line on the thing, quick.
Yeah,
Yeah.
quick. Can somebody go run? That's a pretty nice fish.
It's a damn good winner. Throw it out. Dave, watch your head. Jeez, this is right. You alright?
Shit.
Throw it to Donald out the front. He goes the other way.
Oh shit.
Alright.
Huge mako.
Okay.
Water's still going.
Beautiful mako.
Don't go bye-bye, ready?
Alright,
Yep.
Don's gonna cut. There he goes.
Bye bye.
He gone.
We just released a gorgeous mako.